chocolate compounds, dark milk white, for rich flavor and the perfect bite. Whipping cream to whip it light, color sprinkles that make cake shine bright. Sugar decor and edible art for beautiful finishes that set you apart. Decorating tools for perfect design, spatulas and scrapers for smooth clean lines, hopping bags, nozzles, tips that flow, measuring tools for results you know. Cake molds and shakes, sizes wide, chocolate molds for pralines and bars of pride. Strong to carry with care, for cakes and pastries everywhere. Desserts and sweets packed neat and smart, fancy chocolate boxes that look like art. Perfect packaging for sale and gift, adding value, giving brands a lift. Disposables made to serve, biodegradable cutlery you can preserve. Paper food containers, safe and clean for hotels, caterers, takeaways and cuisine. Reliable products for food on the go, designed for service, speed and flow. Baking Mart, complete baking, packaging and celebration solutions. Yeah, yeah, yeah,